walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's into me and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk out. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
There's a little side street that literally is about the same distance to Little Mountain on the left side.
I know.
Can you please do that? No,
Not with
please.
my trailer.
Yes, you can. You can. I know you can do it. DPU CSX 917. Yeah, this is the coal train that is waiting for the CSX L644 that struck the lumber truck just earlier this morning, which is terrible, and it's holding up a lot of cars and money, which it can result in millions of dollars in loss for coal. This one is coming from Evansville, Indiana to cross South Carolina as C319. Look at all that coal. So much cargo. Engines, I see you. $54.78 ES40 DC, 337 ES44AH units. And that is the end of the video. Make sure you like to subscribe to Southern CSX Vlog, all on this day of April 2023. I don't know the exact date off the top of my head, but make sure you like to subscribe.